Starting with version 1.1, ProtoTwin supports custom mass distributions for physics bodies. Let's take a look. If I expand the advanced category, you'll see that there is a new mass distribution property. Click the button next to the property to open the mass distribution editor. You'll now be able to modify the center of mass for the rigid body. The center of mass is rendered in the viewport as you make changes. You can also modify the inertia tensor. You can obtain the precise moments of inertia from your CAD software. The three buttons can be used to automatically configure the mass distribution. You can click the AABB button to automatically determine everything from the bounding box. However, in this case, we'll click the button to automatically determine the properties from the colliders. And that's all there is to it. Run the simulation and interact to see the results.